I am a Jew who grew up in Australia. For most of my life, being Jewish in Australia felt safe, almost unremarkable in the best possible way. And then came October 7th. On the 8th of October, people marched at the Sydney Opera House chanting, "Gas the Jews." I remember watching in disbelief. It didn't feel real. This was Australia, safe Australia, and yet people were openly celebrating mass murder, targeting a people, a religion. From that moment on, something shifted. And over the past 2 years, we've seen synagogues attacked, fire bombings, relentless hate speech, weekly marches against Zionists, 100,000 people walking across our most iconic structure, the Harbour Bridge, openly hostile towards Israel